uPeter Herring nomndeni wakhe sebebe izisulu zobugebengu ikhawe entathu kuleminyaka emibili edlule. Umuzi wabo waqekezwa izigebengu kabili, kanti uHerring yena wahlaselwa izigebengu eshayela imoto yakhe endleleni engena ekhaya. Indodana yakhe nayo yahlaselwa yaboshelwa endlini ngentambo.
I've got no respect for the minister. I've got no respect for the cops, because as far as I'm concerned, they dropped the ball. And if they want to try and gloss over the stats to make themselves look good, that's on them.
Amaphoyisa athi enze kangcono kulesi sigaba sonyaka. Ngqongqoshe amaphoyisa ubheka icele uthi kusenzima ukunqanda izibalo zesihlava sokuhlukunyezwa kwabantu besifazane nezingane.
Murder increased countrywide by 3.4% between January and March 2023. This is the lowest single-digit decrease recorded compared to the previous 3 quarters. Though it is a decrease, these are not just figures but human lives that should be protected at all costs. Children murder decreased by almost 20%, which is 19.9% exactly, and a slight decrease was also noted in assault GBH cases of children. Sadly and alarmingly, 29 more children were victims of attempted murder compared to the same comparative period last year.
Ucele uthi kuzongweza imali yokusiza emzamweni yokwehlisa amacala okubulala.